Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So in today's class we are going to study about the climate and adaptations. So we have already studied about the climate. Now we are going to study about the adaptations. What is adaptation? You know what is adaptation? The various features developed by plants and animals to survive in a climate are called adaptations or is called adaptations. Various features developed by the plants and animals according to the climate to survive. Okay, जैसे कि let us take an example to understand the adaptation. Take an example of camel. Camel mostly lives in the hot climate in deserts. So it has a hump to store food, and it also has a packet for storing water, and it have flat feet to walk on the sand. So according to the climate, it has developed some special features just like flat feet, a hump for storing food, and a packet for storing water. So these type of features when developed according to the climate are called adaptation. Let us take one more example of a polar bear. Mostly polar bear lives in the colder region. So they develop the feature of the developing the fur, a thick fur over their body, okay, to keep them warm. And mostly polar bears are of white color so that they can hide from the predators, and also have a sense of smell, a great sense of smell to catch their prey. So these are the features developed by a polar bear to live in a cold climate. So some special features developed by the plants and animals to live in a particular type of climate are called adaptations. I hope I am very clear about the adaptations. Okay, so now there are mainly three types of regions: the polar regions. Okay, what are the polar regions? The regions near the poles, just like North Pole and South Pole, those type of regions are called polar regions. The climate there is mostly cold, nearly about 30 minus 37 degrees Celsius, which is really very cold. Okay, most of the year, approximately 6 months there is too much cold because sun is not seen there for 6 months, and sun is seen there for 6 months, but still there is cold. So there is a lot of snow, and we can say the climate there is cold enough. Okay, so in the polar regions just like North Pole and South Pole. So what are the countries we can say lying in the North Pole and South Pole, in the polar regions? The countries like Canada, the countries like Alaska, okay, the countries like Greenland, these lies in the polar region, which are really very cold. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the hot weather, about the hot climate. Where does the hot climate? Mostly the hot climate is near is just like desert, Sahara desert, and the western desert in Rajasthan, just like Jaisalmer. These type of climates are called deserts which have hot climate. Okay, another type of climate comes rainforest type of climate. Okay, so rainforest, so rainforests are near to the equator. Mostly they are near to the equator. Mostly there is a very hot or rainfall there. Okay, so let us see what are the features developed by a polar bear in the cold climate. So first of all, we see that it is clearly seen that polar bear is of white color. Okay, and it has a layer of fat under its skin. उसके जो स्किन के अंदर क्या होता है, लेयर ऑफ फैट होता है. Okay, the fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. Okay, so these are the special two features adopted by the polar bear, and many more features are there. What are those features? The white fur, they develop a white fur. Just check, it has two thick layers of fur. This keeps it warm in cold weather. The fat insulates in the body from this is the of fat, and there are two layers of fat fur there. Okay, the white fur is they develop a white fur, remember, जो कि उन्हें हेल्प करता है छिपने में. The white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background. इट्स प्रीडेटर्स एंड प्रे आर अनेबल टू सी इट, इसलिए उसको वो जो प्रीडेटर्स जो होते हैं वो उन्हें देख नहीं पाते, उनका शिकार नहीं कर पाते. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट फीचर इज it has a very strong sense of smell which helps them to catch their prey easily. It helps the bear to locate and catch its prey. Okay, the next feature is it has curved and sharp claws. It has curved and sharp claws means जो उसके क्लॉज होते हैं, जो उसके पंजे होते हैं, वो कैसे होते हैं, कर्व्ड होते हैं और शार्प होते हैं, विच हेल्प्स देम टू वॉक इन द स्नो और इन द आइस. So these are the various features developed by a polar bear. And now we are going to study about the various features developed by the penguins. So what are the various features? Mostly the penguins are of white colors. They also have a thick layer of fur over them. Okay, and the most important thing is they are huddled together in the winter. In the winter season they are huddled together, एक साथ हो जाती हैं. Why? You have seen that when you enter a hall with lot of people there, then you see that it is very hot over there. Similarly for the penguins, when they huddle together, the heat is increased, or you can say the temperature is rise there where they gather together. Okay, so these are the features developed by some animals in the cold regions. So about the rainforest we will study in the next class. Thank you.